Man, every highway in the South is packed, man. You ain't got no choice but to go back roads, man. Wait 2 or 3 days, you get through that shit. Look at it. Man, like 25, 30 miles to Atlanta. And they said that shit backed up all the way to Atlanta. Look. I get over the overpass too. The overpass. Look at that shit. Traffic backed up for miles. Hold on, bro. Ain't shit moving. For miles, man. Imagine being stuck in that shit. You better have some fucking gas, so it's cool over the motherfucker. Can we go west?
Huh?
We can't go west.
Oh, we went back west. And we were going east. Well, it would take us that way eventually. South.
Oh, we need to go north.
Well, we're going south to go north. It's taking us home the back way.
Oh.